Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wit, back with another makeup tutorial. Excuse my voice, you guys. I don't know what happened. I had a little cough, but I don't know. But I just want to thank everybody for 400 subscribers. Like 400, dang, like, you know what I'm saying? The family is really growing out here. Like, I have to give y'all like a whole name. Like, I don't even know what to call you guys yet. But thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. I'm gonna keep my promise, and I'm gonna keep being consistent with these videos. But yeah, let's get into this look. So today I'm doing a soft glam on my client. She didn't know exactly what she wanted. She was going out with her friends, so she told me just go ahead and do whatever. And I know she doesn't like too much, so I tried to do something very soft on her. So that's exactly what I did. And also, you guys, excuse the noise in the background. They just do this all the time. They don't know how to they don't know how to be quiet, child. But so I went in with Sea Breeze to tone her face. And then after that, I went in with some primer. I went in with Baby Skin. And then now I'm going in with Morphe's pencil in Java, and I'm just filling in her brows. She has like some nice brows. Like, when I say, you guys, like, her brows is thick, and like I really like it. It's so nice, and it's so easy to fill in and like conceal or whatever. But now I'm going in with some concealer, and this is from Milani. You guys already know my favorite concealer. And I'm taking this flat brush, and I am concealing her brows. So yes, look at this. This is so nice. So I'm just bringing that down, and then I'm gonna use that fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I've made it to 400 subscribers. I remember when I used to be excited and freaked out about 98 subscribers, 100 subscribers, but now we're at 400 subscribers. You guys just been sticking around with your girl like no other, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Like, really appreciate it. So here I am just blending all that out onto her eyelid. And throughout the video, my client is like, her head is tilted up. Excuse that. I don't know what was going on, but I guess she wasn't feeling well, so that's probably why she had her head tilted up throughout the video. But just to let you guys know in the upcoming clips. But here I am taking this soft brown eyeshadow from Morphe, and I just placed that into her crease. And now I'm going in with Canvas with P. Louise, and I'm taking the same buffing brush that I used to blend out her concealer, and I'm just tapping that on her eyelid. Also, you guys, she has nice she has like a lot of lid space, but I don't know if her eyes are hooded. I believe they are a little bit, and so she has like some nice big eyes, so it's a lot of space. So it's just I just love it. So here I am, after I blended out the concealer, I'm going in with Juvia's Place Warriors 2 palette, and I went with that nude shade, and I used a fluffy brush to tap that onto that on Canvas from P. Louise. And then now here I am going in with another fluffy brush, and I just like to work in small sections. So I took the Nars Radiant Foundation, and I mixed it with Macao and Marquees. She has like a cool tone, so I mixed those two together to get her shade. And I'm just going back and forth, and I'm just applying more as I go, simply because she has like black scars and stuff like that. So we gotta hide that. You know what I'm saying? We gotta hide that. So here I am using my Instapop brush from Real Technique, and I'm just tapping that foundation into her skin. So that's what we doing. Now I'm going in with Milani, and I'm just placing that under her eyes and all the highlighted areas, her nose, above her lip, her chin, and I'm just blending that with a setting brush from Real Technique. So I went with two different shades of concealer. I went with one that was like one shade lighter than her. Then I went with one that was two shades lighter than her. And I'm just blending that all out. And here I am going with the second shade. I'll tell you guys, I can't wait until you guys see my beauty room. I'm trying to finish it by this month. But it's like when you're ordering stuff don't come in. You know, they don't be coming in fast enough. I don't know. They don't come in fast enough. So soon we will reveal the room. But here I am going in with some setting powder, and this is AC Cosmetics in No Shine. I'm running out, and I love that setting powder. I need to get some more. Um, I'm placing that everywhere I applied the concealer, and then I kind of leave that on her face to just give me like a real nice matte matte face. And I'm going in with her foundation shade, and I'm just I'm applying foundation on top of her brows to give her like a nice shaped eyebrow. And then I'm taking a buffing brush to blend out the top, and then I'm just doing the same thing in front of her brows so that we don't have like boxy brows. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm going back in with my Morphe pencil, and I'm just creating like a natural brow. Now I'm going in with Trendsetter from Morphe, and I'm just lining up her lips. She looks so pretty. Like, so pretty. I'm lining up her lips. And then I'm going in with, I can't tell y'all. I can't tell y'all. If you really want to know, then leave some comments down below. But I'm going in with something, and I'm placing that on her lips, and then I'm just using this brush to blend everything out with the lip liner and what I applied. And now I'm going in with some clear lip gloss, and I'm just applying that onto her lip. And then I go in with another lip gloss, and I kind of just blend everything out with that. Okay, and I'm still just perfecting her lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked this look. Leave your comments down below. Like, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me, and I will see you guys in the next makeup tutorial. Bye.